I'm gonna make 99 in the forest.
Patuloy mo ng ganyan. Nanay mo na rin. Ang magdol ka. Hindi ka dito. Ayun lang na yan. Come here. Dating sakit. Bilisan nyo na. Bilisan nyo na. 12K. Akrabia. Libre na kuryente.
Ako tulad naman, Meg.
Hindi, iba.
Pero saan ang mga siya lang Maria? Wala ko sa inyo.
I started adding
Tanungin mo na lang kasi mura to.
Then,
Sayang mo, madami nang tatanong oh. Give me phone number. Oh, yan o. Pag ano ka na. Ano tawag dito? Mag-inquire ka na. Ha? Hindi. I-ano mo na. Kunin mo na yung i-picturean mo tapos i-send mo din sa number. Tapos sabi mag-message ka. Available ka. Is available. Is still available. On. Send ko sa'yo ha. WhatsApp. Tapos dictate mo sa akin yung number. I-save mo muna sa picture, babe. Save mo. Turuan kita. Save mo yung picture. Save mo sa message, sa image. Nakasave na. Save mo sa image. Makita. Nakasave na
I started making the graph.
Saan mo? Oh. Image. Oh. Gallery.
And it looked kind of cool. Now I started adding trees like there's no trees though. I started adding these with I take it completely out.
مع آيهير كاليفورنيا جولد نيوتريشن فيجيلانس مير مالتي فيتامين فيتامينات الشعر بالبيوتين والسيراميدات والساوندونيتين لشعرك أكثر كثافة ولمعان. تزود الآن.
Tapos send mo yung picture.
ما زلنا في البحث عن احسن كولاجين في العالم. النهارده انا جربت كولاجين كوزما كولاجين. ايه اللي يميز اي كولاجين انا بدور عليه؟ اول حاجه لازم يبقى بايو افيلابل، يعني في كولاجينات كتيره ما بتتهضمش ما بتتكسرش، عندك مشكله في الحمض، عندك مشكله في الامعاء ما يمتصش، فلازم يبقى بايو افيلابل وبيبتايد يعني متكسر وجاهز على الهضم. ده فيه هيالورونيك اسيد وفيه بايوتين وفيه احماض امينيه تساعد كتير قوي ان الكولاجين يوصل للدم ويوصل للمناطق اللي احنا عايزين نوصله اليها. ايه فايده الكولاجين عامه؟ يحسن بشرتك ويحسن العظم والمفاصل ويحسن جهاز المناعه وطبعا البشره والقلب. الكوزما عامله الكولاجين ده من المارين من البحر العميق من سمك المعمر. ليه السمك المعمر؟ لان بيكون نسبه الكولاجين فيه اعلى. العبوه دي 30
Mamaya pala.
And here. I didn't find it. Everyone is here.
Every breath you take knows you. Take a look.
And it falls clutch now.
Every single
I did
day, and every word you say, everything you play,
Mommy, sit down here.
Yasin, come on.
Instead of that, I want
Si Aywa.
Wow.
Si Aywa ka.
Ready na lahat. Yung pala walang gamit.
Ayos mo tata.
Nangyari din sabi niyan, gutom na gutom. Pagbukas ko, sila ka no. Meron mo. Nandito. Hindi pala yung naiping doon.
and I did
Pwede
see
bang uminom na nito?
some
Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-support.
May mga bisita tayo, oh, we have the one!
And learn from Japan.
Yes!
Please start now the quiet days to I was dreaming all day long, adrift and bound.
a festival here.
I would choose not to see. I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your
Boy,
Not even if you smile, the sweetest smile. Not even if you bend me
I
down.
found this dog. Looks like gold.
Say good
Like
morning
in
to
the
the
forest.
world. I hope you like
I grab it.
Baba. Ganyan talaga. Oh, ganyan talaga.
it. All those things
And I
that
feel like
I've been looking for a way for too long now.
yeah, I jumped in there.
No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your games. Not even if you smile, the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your games. Not even if you smile, the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg down.
All the same code as the first edit. Let's add more obstacles. It's actually really easy to do that. Just
Knowing your ways and loving your ways right. Not getting too well. Day after day, leaving the past behind. Coming to terms with stitches and burns and learning to fly again. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if time is sweet tomorrow. Not even if you beg down. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile, the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg down.
That's my
Yes, approve mo na. Alam. Nakuha ko na ano. Alam ha. Sa ito lang muna.
right click on the edit and click duplicate. Now so they're gliding at the exact sitting. And lastly, let's add a score so the player earns points every time they jump over the edge. To do this, let's make a variable. In Scratch, you can use a variable to keep track of
So,
Egg.
why you cook
Fried
egg?
egg.
Ayaw niyo daw yun.
You don't like apple.
Adobo.
No, you don't like
Inuminom mo.
to become big.
Ay.
Ay, hindi lang ako explain niya.
Go.
What about us?
Oh, cool.
How many months?
How many months? We got 2 weeks.
Me 2 months and Lauren 8 months. Lauren 8 months.
Overdue! 7 years. Kasi ate pala yung overdue.
2 months left on Lauren. Wow, wow, kami.
Favorite ni Roger?
Talaga ba?
Oo.
So, it's just...
Is the train to desert moon was all she said.
Oh. Yes.
But I know I heard the stranger's voice before. No, I turned into her eyes, but she was away. She was standing in the rain, trying hard to speak
So I'll make a variable called
my
score.
name.
We'll use it to keep track of the player's score. Every time the player manages to complete a jump, we can increase their score by 1.
The way to put our memories in a tiny cup.
Wait for the race.
We stumble over words belong to
Yeah.
me.
0 likes for this.
We talk about the dreams we lost or given up.
Diyan ka na naman ah.
When the whistle got the night and she stood
What
inside
is Connor doing there?
stars straight rolled towards the moon.
Mom, I made my own game.
Those summer nights when we were young, we bragged of
You did
things
my game,
we
Mom.
never done. We were dreamers, only dreamers, and in our hands
Because
to grow too soon, we left our innocence on desert moon. We were dreamers,
we get go.
only dreamers on desert moon. On desert moon.
Mom, you think
On desert moon. Desert moon.
so we just go up and we here. Like this video, like this video, guys. The cards were reaching to 70 or 71 subscribers. 72, I don't know, guys.
Ayan mo eh. Yun.
The whisper of the summer nights, it all
Ay! Wala na ako. Sabi na yan.
the night was good and waiting for the desert train. All the words we
Ano na yan?
all the day.
So,
Yes, yes.
Ayan.
Those summer nights when we were young, we bragged of things we never done. We were dreamers, only dreamers. Moments pass and time moves on, but dreams remain for just as long as they're dreamers. All the dreamers. Tagalog kasi yung may
هيد
pindan
اند شولدرز
natin.
ابرد شامبو بالعالم براحه فوريه من الحجم.
Wala pang kanin nga eh.
Tayo muna ka.
Nakakaw muna. Sheila Kijaban.
Nel.
Yeah.
Hello?
Ano?
Napunta sa ano?
Kaya nga, napunta sa
Sa Prime.
Ba yan?
Hindi. Hindi sa?
What?
Ay! Lunch without activity.
Ano ba yung nagpupas na naman ng gusto? Buhok ba yun? Oo, lasa.
Ay, ha? Ha?
O, di, ikaw, sabi mo. Bakit natin yung
Pera. Ito daw sa mga tao yan eh. Ito daw ang ganyan. Kinis-kinis. Loso. Naka-report lang ako. Kompleto na tayo. Let's go. Kung hindi mo kabisado ang kanta na yan, mag-umpisa ka sa taas eh. Uy, kain na eh. Umpisa niya sa baba eh. Let's go, start.
Stop browsing flights and start booking them. Bali has new courses to practice. Japan has neon lit streets to explore. And China has a wall to climb. So, if you're going there, so are we.
Put down your tablet.
Ay, bebe.
Just keep. Okay.
Sila,
But I haven't saved it yet.
Save it.
ate, ano ba?
Made me older. Last time that I saw your pretty face.
Bebe, mapatuwa ka dyan? Ayaw nga pa yun.
Thousand lies have made me colder.
Bakit ano?
Don't think like you got this to say.
Wala siyang
So
tinitingin.
guys,